Today I'll be showing you how to set up a production file in Adobe InDesign, and more specifically how to create a duplex production file. And I'll be showing you how to place artwork from Illustrator into your InDesign production file. So you want to start off with just 2 pages in InDesign, and you want to make sure that facing pages is off because we're not creating a booklet. So you're going to go into File, Document Setup, and then you want to just make sure that the facing pages is not selected. So once that is done, you can place your artwork in. So you're going to go into File, Place, and then locate your Illustrator file. And today I'm just using an example from a card that a previous student made. And you want to make sure that Show Import Options is on so that you have the option to select your artboards that you're going to be placing. Today I'm doing both, so I selected all. And then you can also keep layers on or off depending on whatever you need. And then you're just going to click to place the artwork. And then to position it better on the page, I'm just going to rotate that one and position it more towards the left of the page. So then for the other side, the back side, I'm going to be rotating it the opposite way and then placing it more towards the right so that it's kind of mirrored, so that once it's printed, it will print directly behind the artwork. And to make sure that they're positioned perfectly, you want to grab the rectangular tool and place that over the full page. And then you're going to select the art and the rectangle, and you're going to copy and paste that. And then you're going to group that together. So click Command G to group that and place that over the other page. And then you're going to select Transform and Flip Horizontal, because now you're able to see how that is exactly placed from the opposite way. So as you can see here, my other card is a little bit to the right. So now you can see that there is a difference. So then you're just going to select the artwork and move it so that it's positioned exactly mirrored to the other one. And then you can go ahead and delete that grouped and then also the rectangle. So now you have a production file where you have your linked file from Illustrator, and the handy thing about that is you can go into your Illustrator file and make any changes. So I'm just going to make a rectangle, and then I'm going to save the document. So go into File, Save. So that's like if you're making any changes to your Illustrator document and then saving it, it'll automatically update onto the InDesign file, and it kind of shows up as a little error. So then you just select that and it automatically refreshes. So that is like super nice when you don't have to recreate your production file. You just can update your artwork in Illustrator, and then it'll automatically update. So now I'm going to be showing you the specific print settings for printing duplex. So once your file looks good, you can select File, Print. First thing, you are going to select the correct printer. So we're going to be using the Ricoh today. So Paper C, Ricoh C710X, CMYK. And then you're going to go into Page Setup on the bottom left. Make sure that the printer is selected, and then change the paper size to whatever paper you're using. And for this example, we're just using tabloid. Press OK. And then you can see in the preview that it changed the paper size to be correct. Then you're going to go into Printer. And again, the printer should be selected automatically. And then you're going to change the preset for the paper that you're using. So there's many options. you want to make sure that you select the correct preset. And today we're just using the default 11 by 17. So the presets are nice because it'll automatically update all of the fiery features. So all the settings for the printer are correct based off of your paper. And then for printing duplex, you're going to go under duplex and select open to left for what we're doing today because it's opening to the left, not the top. And then you should be good. Make sure that two-way communication is on, and then you are safe to print. And then you're just going to type in your star ID and password for the paper cut. And this will link to your paper cut account, so it charges you for whatever print job that you are doing. And then if done correctly, then your sheet of paper should have correct alignment with your duplex.